Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are diving deep into mastering KNIME for data automation and really how to level up your analytics career. If you're looking for a repeatable, reliable way to collect, clean, and present your data without getting totally bogged down in traditional programming, well, you are in exactly the right place. But real quick, before we jump into the fun stuff, a massive thank you to our enabler. This explainer is powered by Assignment OnClick, and full credit goes to them for providing the comprehensive insights and the career-boosting guide we're about to explore together. Okay, let's start with a pain point I think we can all relate to. Are you just completely tired of cleaning spreadsheets manually? You know that absolute frustration of spending hours repeating the exact same data filtering tasks in Excel every single Monday morning? It's the worst. But then, on the flip side, learning to write long lines of Python or SQL can feel like a massive mountain to climb. Modern organizations desperately need faster ways to work with data, and honestly, you need a tool that bridges that exact gap. So, here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with visual data analysis, move into workflow automation, learn how to share those insights, build a job-ready portfolio, and wrap the whole thing up with a step-by-step career roadmap. Let's kick things off with Section 1. Meet KNIME and Visual Data Analyst. So think about this stark contrast between traditional methods and this modern approach. Manual Excel tasks are incredibly prone to human error, right? Especially when you're just totally fatigued from doing the exact same filtering week after week. KNIME Analytics Platform, on the other hand, is an open-source, low-code platform. Instead of typing out complex syntax or manually dragging spreadsheet cells around, you use visual, step-by-step logic. You're basically building your data process using connected nodes that handle specific tasks, creating this slick process that you can just use again and again. It's literally like connecting the dots. Every single task is handled by a node, which forms a highly practical workflow to automate a report. For example, Step 1, an Excel reader node pulls your monthly sales file into the system. Step 2, a row filter cleans it up, maybe keeping only specific regions. Step 3, a group by node summarizes the data to calculate total sales. Step 4, a bar chart node instantly visualizes that performance. And finally, Step 5, an Excel writer automatically exports the final clean report. You build this visual pipeline once, and the next time you get new data, you literally just hit run. Which brings us nicely to Section 2, automating your data workflows. The absolutely crucial concept here is workflow automation. We're talking about creating a process that executes with minimum manual effort. Let's say cleaning a messy weekly sales file takes an analyst 2 hours every week. Converting that into a KNIME workflow means you build the logic one time. From then on, you drastically reduce your repetitive work forever. It saves precious hours and, honestly, significantly improves your accuracy. Now, it's super important to understand the technical distinction here as you start leveling up your skills. Building a workflow is about designing the steps, connecting the Excel reader to the group by node, all that good stuff. But scheduling is what takes you to the next level. Handled through KNIME Business Hub, scheduling is setting that established logic to run automatically at a planned time or interval. It's the difference between you clicking a run button yourself and having the system do the heavy lifting while you're fast asleep. I mean, just imagine the sheer amount of time you'll save. Your weekly sales reports just run themselves every Monday morning. Customer dashboards refresh daily, inventory updates nightly, and your data quality checks are completely done before business hours even start. This is a highly valuable skill because it proves to employers that you can engineer true, business-ready automated solutions. Moving right along to Section 3, sharing insights with data apps. Let's be real for a second. Managers and business leaders usually do not want to look at a deeply technical workflow with dozens of nodes on a screen. They just want the answers, and they want them quickly. KNIME lets you solve this by turning your analysis into a data app. These are basically interactive pages, built with special nodes that let non-technical users interact with your workflow's outputs, completely hiding all that complex logic running in the background. And the capabilities of these data apps are incredibly user-friendly. Through a really simple interface, a manager can upload their own raw files, select the specific filters they actually care about, view the generated charts, and securely download the final results. I'm telling you, having even one simple data app like this in your portfolio is a massive flex. It proves you understand both the deep technical data transformation side and how to create accessible interfaces for your business stakeholders. And speaking of portfolios, here's Section 4, building a winning portfolio. A lot of beginners make the mistake of just writing, "I know KNIME" on their resume. Please don't do that. Employers want to see real examples of your work. You've got to tackle practical business projects, things like building a sales dashboard automation that summarizes revenue, or perform a customer churn analysis to build a simple classification model identifying who might leave. You could look into HR employee attrition patterns or bank loan risk factors. Go grab some real public data sets from Kaggle or government portals to show that you can solve actual, real-world business problems. When you're presenting these projects on GitHub or your personal portfolio, use this specific structure. Don't just upload a bunch of screenshots of nodes. You have to explain the business value. Start with a clear title and business problem. Then detail the data set and tools you used. Show your workflow, explanation, and output charts. And most importantly, literally the most critical part, close with the business insight and automation value. Explain clearly what the analysis discovered and exactly how much time your workflow saves. That is exactly how you look professional and ready to get hired. Finally, Section 5, your KNIME career roadmap. These visual workflow skills unlock so many doors across the data landscape. KNIME helps data analysts automate their mundane cleaning tasks. It helps business analysts accurately track KPIs. It's an absolute game changer for reporting analysts who need to automate repeated dashboards. And it's incredibly valuable for BI analysts who need to rigidly clean and prepare their data before sending it off into visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau. So here is your practical 8-week game plan. Week 1 is all about getting comfortable with the interface basics. By weeks 2 and 3, you're importing and transforming data. Week 4 introduces charting. Then in weeks 5 and 6, you are building complete automated workflows and documenting your portfolio. Finally, weeks 7 and 8 cap the whole thing off with advanced skills, like those data apps we talked about, and polishing up your resume to actually get the job. Now, as you follow that roadmap, definitely be sure to avoid these common traps. First, building messy, unannotated workflows. Always name your nodes so your logic is clear to someone else. Second, never ignore missing values. They will totally corrupt your calculations down the line. Third, pay close attention to your data types. Treating a date as a text string is a guaranteed way to cause errors. And lastly, never learn these nodes in a vacuum. Connect your learning to a real business context because at the end of the day, employers hire problem solvers, not just software operators. So, what does this all mean for you? We've seen how visual nodes replace repetitive manual tasks, how scheduling completely automates your workflows, and how data apps showcase your brilliant insights directly to leadership. With Assignment on Click providing this roadmap, what's stopping you from downloading KNIME today? Are you going to keep doing those repetitive tasks manually week after week? Or are you ready to start engineering real solutions? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in